Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and today we'll be making a leaf box. The supplies we need for this craft are scissors, googly eyes, a leaf, black construction paper, and glue. I'm using a maple leaf, and I'm going to cut 2 pieces of black construction paper into triangles. I already did that. And then we're going to glue them onto the top of the leaf. And then we're going to cut 3 circles out of the construction paper, kind of smaller circles. First one is the nose. And then the eyes. And you can use bigger googly eyes if you want. I used smaller because my leaf isn't as big. And then we're going to cut 6 little strips of paper, 3 for each side of his whiskers. Glue those down. Okay, the whiskers are a little bit hard, but it's just because they're small. There we go. And there is our leaf box. Hope you like this craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.